Hello students, today we are starting our video classes of science subject and we are starting this classes with the chapter light. This is the chapter number 9 of your syllabus, and before starting this chapter we have to know what is the basic meaning of light or what is the basic definition of light. The very basic definition of light is a form of energy which make the things visible to us. लाइट एक वो फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी है जो कि सारी चीज़ों को जो कि हमारे सराउंडिंग में होती है उनको देखने के लिए कैपेबल बनाता है. If there is no light age or if there will be no light energy, we are not able to see these objects clearly. So this is the essential energy. Okay. Now when the light age falls on the surface of any object, it will follow three different phenomena. And what are that phenomena? Number 1, transmission of light. Number 2, refraction of light. And the number 3 is reflection of light. When a light ray travels from one medium to another medium and it travels in the same line and it will not change its path, this kind of phenomena is called transmission of light. Second, when the light ray travels from one medium to another medium and it change its path or it just deviate from its path at certain angle, this kind of phenomena is called refraction of light. And the third one is reflection. When a light ray falls on the surface and it returns back to the same medium, means it will not enter into the second medium, it just return in the first medium, this kind of phenomena is called reflection of light. In this chapter we will discuss these two phenomena in details, starting with the first, reflection of light. Just pause your video and first note down these definition and three phenomena, then we will continue this video. Now come to the topic, reflection of light. What is the reflection of light? When a light ray travels from one medium to another but it returns to the same medium from the surface of separation, that is known as reflection of light. The basic definition of reflection is the phenomena of light when it returns back to the same medium and when it falls on the surface of separation is called reflection. The reflection of light is of two types. Number 1, regular reflection. When the light ray falls on the smooth surface and it returns in the same direction or in a parallel form, this is called regular reflection. But when the light ray falls on the diffused surface or rough surface and it returns in different directions, the beam of light will distributed in different directions. This kind of reflection is called diffused reflection. जब लाइट किसी स्मूथ सरफेस पे गिरेगी तो वो एक बिल्कुल पैरेलल बीम बनाएगी और रिफ्लेक्टेड एज का भी एक बीम बन जाएगा, दैट इज पैरेलल बीम बनेगा, तो वो आपका रेगुलर हो गया. और जब आपकी रिफ्लेक्टेड एज अलग अलग डायरेक्शंस में बिखर जाती है तो उसको हम डिफ्यूज रिफ्लेक्शन बोलते हैं. तो अगर हमें रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट को और डिटेल में समझना है तो वी हैव टू टॉप अ डायग्राम. This is the surface of separation between two mediums. The upper surface, the upper medium is medium 1 and the second one is medium 2. Just suppose a source of light is here and it give a light ray, that is AB. This light ray is called incident ray. The point where this light ray falls is called point of incidence. The perpendicular drawn on this point is called normal and it is represented by n and dash. When this incident A falls on the point B, it will reflect back to the same medium in the other side of this normal. This ray is called reflected ray. This is your reflection through a plane surface or plane mirror. When a light A, incident A, comes from a source of light and falls on a point B, it will reflect to the same medium in the other side of the normal. Here, two different angles will be there, that is angle I and angle R. The angle between incident A and normal is called angle of incidence, which is represented by angle I, and the angle between normal and reflected A is represented by angle R. This is called angle of reflection. Now, there are two different laws of reflection. If we talk about these laws, the first law is the incident A, reflected A and normal, all these three lie in the same plane. What is the law? First law, incident A, normal and reflected A should lie in the same plane. And the second law is the angle of incidence must be equal to angle of reflection. Angle I is equal to angle R. These two laws have to be satisfied when the reflection occurs. कर दो इसको pause.